Hello guys, let's see how we can prepare RCC design sheets within seconds using RCDC software. Let's get started. This is our G+12 story building structural model in ETABS, for which we want to prepare RCC design sheets for columns, beams and slab. It consists of 6 flats at each floor and a large water tank at the top. From the define menu and then load case window, you can see we have applied all kind of loads like static earthquake force, dynamic earthquake force like response spectrum, time history loads. The Z direction vertical earthquake force has also been applied. In wind force category, we have applied static wind force, dynamic wind force that is manually calculated through gust factor, short-term and long-term deflection loads as well. You can also learn how to apply all these kind of dynamic loads in detail through our advanced courses on ETABS, RCDC and SAFE software. For the interested ones, the link is in the description below. Keep in mind, these loads are necessary to capture true response of a structure under real condition. Let me share a professional tip with you, which will help you to save a lot of your time while designing structures for your client. The tip is, you should use ETABS only for modeling and analysis purpose. This is because ETABS is not good at designing, producing detailing sheets, or any kind of estimation as per Indian standard codes. So instead you should use RCDC software, which is very efficient in designing, producing detailing sheets as per Indian site requirements, producing accurate BBS and even automatic estimation of steel and RCC quantities. So ETABS will be used for modeling and analysis purpose and RCDC software will be used for design, detailing sheets, BBS and automatic estimation. Shifting back, let's quickly see how we can export the ETABS analysis results to RCDC software and start producing the design sheets. For exporting the results, you have to come to the file menu, then export options. Then with this ETABS database table to access option, you can export the results. This kind of access file will be generated. I have already generated the file, so I will be using it directly. Now we have the ETABS results, so let's open the RCDC software. Here you can see it is giving us an import option. Choose our project access file that we exported from the ETABS. With the help of RCDC software, you can design and produce detailing sheets for columns and RCC walls, for beams, for slabs, even staircase and water tank. It also provides foundation design as well, for simple cases like isolated and combined footing. Raft foundation design is not included in this RCDC software. For that you have to take help of STAD foundation software that we have taught in our mega course. I have already imported and prepared the separate files for beams, columns and slab design so that I can quickly share the true potential of RCDC software with you. Starting with the column, here you can see how accurately RCDC software has located and placed the columns for this complex shaped multi-story tower for us. So no matter how simple or complex your floor plan is, RCDC software will be able to recreate it exactly like your ETABS model. Now before you hit this design button, keep in mind that you have to set two things in RCDC software. First, the general design rules, and the second one is generating the load combinations. I have already set it for you. In the later part of this video, I will share how you can also learn about these settings and set up these parameters on your own. Let's quickly hit the design button. Within few seconds, you can see how RCDC software has provided us reinforcement details for all the columns at once. From this window, you can see which column has passed or failed. Let's focus on this C5 column. Here you can see we have got 1% steel in this column from ground floor to 7th floor and then 0.8% till the top floor. The axial and flexure capacity used are only 0.49 and 0.45. This percentage reinforcement and capacity value shows us that we can reduce the column size for the above floor. The way of representing design results this way helps us as an engineer to quickly check which column is failing, which column is getting higher reinforcement, can we reduce the size of the column for above floors, and what are the reinforcement dia we are getting in these columns. We can make all these judgments by looking at one single sheet. how fast and efficient RCDC software has made the design process for us engineers. Time has come, let's quickly see how we can generate detailing sheet for this. Let's come to the BBS menu, then click on Generate BBS option. Here from this window, we will select C5 column from the list. Here you can see within seconds, RCDC software has prepared the column's typical elevation drawings with proper staggered labbed rebars. All the section drawings with rebars at each floor. With proper bar arrangements and with separate drawings for shear rings as well. Complete detailed bar bending schedule sheet with very proper bar shape and length for main longitudinal bars and for shear rings as well. Last but not the least, the most accurate steel quantity estimate for this column is also prepared by RCDC software, where we can see this column will require 2.65 ton steel from base to top level. The breakup is like this, consuming 1 ton of 8 mm bar, 1.23 ton of 16 mm bar, and 0.38 and 0.22 ton of 10 mm and 12 mm bar respectively. We can also easily export this sheet to AutoCAD from this option like this. Save it and then open. Now think of how much time you will take to prepare this kind of detailed sheet in AutoCAD and Excel sheet. Easily it will take a complete 1 day. This D+12 story building has 50 columns. So 50 days for just column design. Your client will not wait for 50 days for you. He will move on to the next designer. This is where the RCDC software will help us in delivering the design sheets very quickly with 100% accuracy to our clients. In the same way, we can generate detailing sheet for this P1 lift shear wall. From the BBS menu, select the P1 wall, then generate the detailing sheet. Here you can see within seconds, you have the most accurate and detailed rebar. BBS an estimation sheet for this lift shear wall. So if we are not using the RCDC software, then we are wasting our precious time. Here if you think how you can learn RCDC software and multi-story building design by dynamic analysis method, then we have a right course for you. I have made a complete advanced ETABS, RCDC and safe building design course, in which you will be learning how to calculate dynamic analysis loads like response spectrum, time history, how to calculate static wind force and dynamic wind force through gust factor method. All these Excel sheets will also be provided in this course. A very advanced method of wind analysis through CFD method is also included in this course. Complete in-depth RCDC software is also included, which has design and detailing of beams, columns, slabs, staircase and water tank lectures in it. Foundation design through SAFE software is also included. So this one advanced course will make you pro in structural design and you can start taking large scale projects on your own. For the interested one, I have included the link in the description below. Now it's time for beam shifting towards the beam layout. Here you can see how easily RCDC software recreated the beam layout for this complex plan. So keep in mind that no matter how simple or complex your floor plan is, RCDC software will be able to design it and give all the related detailing sheets to you. Let's quickly click on the design play button. Within seconds you can see RCDC software has provided us the design results for all the beams. This beam sheet again is very useful for us engineers to make judgment whether which beam has passed or failed. Bars that need to be provided at the bottom of the beam, top of beam, extra bar to the left top, extra bar to the right, the shearing near the left and right zone and at the center zone of the beam. Now we will produce detailing sheets for this long beam belonging to group G16, which has 7 beams in a row. To generate sheets, come to the Reports menu, then click on Elevation and Section tool. Select G16 group from the list which contains 7 beams. Then click on OK. Here you can see we got a complete side elevation view and section drawings at 3 key locations for each beam. For the left and right top extra bars, the curtailment length has been mentioned. Shearings has been provided in the 3 zones. Heavy zone will be near to the support, that is left and right, and the light zone will be the middle part where the rings are provided at a spacing of 150 mm center to center. In beams, section drawings are very important as these drawings tell us a lot about reinforcements in seconds. So if we focus on this B24 beam, here you can see RCDC software has provided us 3 sectional drawings for each beam, one near the left support, one for the middle part, and last near the right support. These are important key load locations for the beam. If we focus on the middle part section, we can see we got 3 number of 16 mm bars at the bottom, 2 number of 20 mm bars at top, and 2 10 mm bar at side support, and 2 lagged 10 mm shear ring. If we switch to the left hand support section, here you can see as this is a continuous beam, the hogging moment will be more at the support, so the top bars will be heavy. Hence the same case, we got 2 number of 25 mm bar and 2 number of 16 mm bar at the support, the bottom bar being the same as 3 number of 16 mm bar. We can also generate BBS sheet for this beam. Come to the BBS menu and then click on Generate BBS. Then select G16 group and click on Generate. Here you can see the complete detailed bar bending schedule has been generated containing bar shape and length for main longitudinal bar as well as all the shear rings. The steel quantity estimate table has also been provided where we can see 0.55 ton steel will be consumed in this beam. Again, these sheets can be exported to AutoCAD like this. You can see how much time is saved as the entire work of detailing has been reduced from weeks to few minutes with the help of RCDC software. Switching to the slab design and detailing, click on the Design Play button. And here you can see within seconds it will generate slab drawing sheets for you. You can see for this S49 two-way slab, we got 8 mm bar at 255 mm center to center along x-axis and 8 mm bar at 275 mm center to center along y-axis. To generate the rebar layout sheet, click on Report menu, then choose In-Plan Detailing. Here you can see the slab rebar sheet has been prepared and the slab marking has also been mentioned with rebar along x and y axis details. We can also prepare BBS for the entire slab like this within few seconds. So looking at these powerful and time-saving features of RCDC software, I would highly recommend you to use this software for producing detailing sheets, bar bending schedules, automatic estimation in your office or in your design consultancy. Till then, happy skill learning to all of you. See you in the next video.